Hello, dear students. Let us study about the plaster of Paris. The formula for chemical formula for plaster of Paris is CaSO4 into half H2O. So the chemical name is called calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Hemi means half. Common name of calcium sulfate hemihydrate is plaster of Paris. Method of preparation: on a careful heating, gypsum, that is calcium sulfate dihydrate, CaSO4 into 2H2O, up to 373 Kelvin or 100 degrees centigrade, gypsum loses water molecule and become calcium sulfate hemihydrate, CaSO4 into 1 by 2 H2O. This is what it is known as the plaster of Paris. Let us look at the chemical reaction. CaSO4 into 2H2O, that is gypsum, on careful heating up to the 373 Kelvin, we get calcium sulfate hemihydrate known as the plaster of Paris, CaSO4 into half H2O plus 1.5 H2O water molecule is removed. Precaution: the same reaction we can write it in this manner. Even let's suppose we write 2 into CaSO4 into twice H2O, and we do the careful heating up to 373 Kelvin, and we can get 2 CaSO4 into H2O plus 3H2O. This is even one of the way by which we can write the chemical reaction. This is what even it is known as the plaster of Paris. 2 CaSO4 into 1 H2O. So this is how we can understand the reaction well. Now, precaution: while heating gypsum, care must be taken that the temperature does not go beyond 373 Kelvin. If temperature goes beyond 373 Kelvin, a solid hard mass of anhydrous calcium sulfate is formed, which is of no use. So my dear students, if we really take care, we can get a good result of formation of the calcium sulfate hemihydrate, or else the reaction takes place as CaSO4 into 2H2O. If the temperature is more than 373 Kelvin, then we will have the anhydrous calcium sulfate of no use CaSO4, and 2 molecules of waters are being removed. Plaster of Paris is a white powder. Plaster of Paris, on mixing with water, it changes to gypsum, once again giving a hard solid mass. So plaster of Paris CaSO4, when reacts with the 1.5 molecule of water, it gives us the gypsum CaSO4 into 2H2O. In plaster of Paris, 2 formula units of a calcium sulfate share 1 molecule of water. That is why 1 formula unit has the half molecule of water. So this is how we can understand. So now we can write the same reaction in the different manner. The reaction of preparation can be written as 2 CaSO4 into 2H2O, that is gypsum. On careful heating up to 373 Kelvin, we get 2 CaSO4 into H2O plus 3H2O. This is what it is, your plaster of Paris. Now the various uses of plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is used by the doctors to support the fractured bones in the right position. Plaster of Paris is used for making toys and statues. Uh, Paris was considered to be the artistic city, and almost all the statues and decorations done in the Paris was done by the same substance, and that is why this substance is now called as a plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is used to make surface smooth. So whenever you want to make some surface smooth, we can use plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is used as a building material to make designs in the ceilings. We can see lots of designs into the ceilings. This ceiling design is made only with the plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is used in the laboratory to join the vessels or apparatus airtight. As we know that plaster of Paris sets when we allow it to react with water, it sets, and when it sets, it's make a solid hard mass, which is watertight. And this is how, if we mix plaster of Paris with water and apply it on the vessel's mouths, they become airtight. So here how we study about the plaster of Paris. Let's look at the question. What happens if we heat blue crystals of copper sulfate pentahydrate CuSO4 into 5H2O? How do we get back the blue crystals? So let us answer this question. Blue color of copper sulfate is actually blue color copper sulfate crystals are actually copper sulfate pentahydrate CuSO4 into 5H2O. When heated, the blue crystal turns white and become anhydrous copper sulfate, that is CuSO4 anhydrous, which is white in color. So your blue copper sulfate pentahydrate CuSO4 into 5H2O, when heated, it turns into CuSO4 white color, which is anhydrous copper sulfate, and 5 water molecules goes away as the droplets in the test tube. If we add few drops of water to the anhydrous white copper sulfate crystals, they turn into blue. Just exactly opposite reaction takes place. If in white anhydrous copper sulfate few drops of water is added, it turns into blue color. The 5 molecules of water present per each molecular formula unit of copper sulfate are called water of crystallization. So you can see that with each molecules of copper sulfate, we have 5 molecules of water present as a water of crystallization. So let us now learn the definition of water of crystallization. What is water of crystallization? Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt in its crystalline form. I hope, my dear students, you are enjoying your studies. Happy learning.